How to permanently delete your Telegram account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can permanently delete your Telegram account. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Telegram app and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And from the menu that comes up, simply tap on the option Label Settings. And after tapping on that, you will be prompted to the settings section. Now from here, you can simply scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. And after that, you can simply scroll down until you find the option labeled Delete my account if a waiver. You're simply gonna tap on that and tap on 1 month and set to it. And after setting it to the 1 month, your Telegram account will be deleted permanently if you don't use it for 1 month. And that's how you can delete your Telegram account permanently. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.